art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bender from Futurama. So first let's get started with the eyes. So in the top we're going to draw in a straight line from left to right, leaving a small gap. Now we're going to come down and replicate that again on the bottom. To the right of this, let's curve this line out and then down, connecting that. And now flipping over towards the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. On the inside now, from the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side, ending that in the center. On the bottom now, from the corner, let's curve this line all the way around. And then up on the right-hand side. And we'll replicate this on the left, curving this all the way around, connecting that in towards our bottom line, and then bringing that up on the left-hand side. In the center now, towards the right, we're going to draw in a small square. And we'll do the same thing as we come over on the left-hand side. Let's frame in the rest of the head now. So moving further up, we're going to draw in another straight line that comes across from left to right, ending that at roughly the same distance. And then dropping below that, we'll replicate that again. To the right of this, let's curve this line out and then in on the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing as we come over on the left-hand side. On the top now, in the center, let's curve this line around and then down towards the corner. And then starting in the center again, we're going to curve this line out and then down on the right-hand side. Up above now, we're going to draw in another curved line, arching that across and then down. Let's draw in a diagonal line that comes in. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then on the top of this, we're going to draw in a circle. Let's close off the bottom of the head now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line straight down. We'll do the same thing as we move over on the right-hand side. And then from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's draw in the mouth. So in the top, we're going to curve this line from left to right on the top. Dropping below that, we'll replicate that on the right-hand side, bringing that out. We're going to curve this line out on the right and then back in. And now we'll do the same thing on the bottom. For the teeth in the center, we're going to draw a straight line that comes up. Stepping out on either side, we'll replicate that, just leaving a small gap in the middle. And now one more time, we're going to draw another straight line that comes down on both sides. On the top, we're going to curve this line around towards the right. And then dropping down again, we'll replicate that one more time. Now let's draw in the body. So on the left-hand side, let's curve this line out towards the left. We'll do the same thing as we move out on the right-hand side. And now let's close this off with a curved line from left to right, bringing this all the way over. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring this diagonal line down towards the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Now let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. In the middle, as we move up, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. On both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down towards the bottom. And now let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. To the right of this, we're going to draw in a small oval for the handle. Now let's draw in the legs. So on the left-hand side, let's curve this line around and then down on the inside. And then we'll do the same thing on the right-hand side, curving this around and then down. Let's step further out now. Let's curve this line around and then back down, ending that at the same height. And we'll do this on both sides. Now let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. On the inside for the foot, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And we'll do the same thing on the left. Let's step further out and we're going to curve this around and then back down. And again, we'll replicate that on the left-hand side. Let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. As we come down our leg now, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And we're just going to leave an even amount of space as we come down and do this 4 times in total. Let's move over to our left leg, and lining this up the exact same height, we'll replicate that on the left leg. Now let's draw in our arms. So coming in towards the top, stepping down slightly, we're going to curve this line down. And we'll do this on both sides. In towards the bottom, we're going to curve this line up, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line, bringing that down towards the bottom. On the inside, let's curve this line around and then down. And we'll do this on both sides. Let's step further out now. On the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And now let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. And now just like we did for the legs, we're going to do the same thing for the arms. So we're going to come down, curving this around 4 times in total, leaving an even amount of space. Flipping over to the left arm, replicating that. Now let's draw in the hand. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then down. We'll do the same thing on the outside. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Underneath this now for the thumb, we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines that come out. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's step further in, we're going to draw 2 straight lines that come down for our first finger. And then we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right on the bottom. Let's step out again, we're going to draw in another straight line that comes down. And now from here, we're just going to curve this line over and in. And that is it. That's how you draw Bender from Futurama. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.